ASAP! Happy birthday, Obed Valiente! Our second producer.
Second producer and Mama Audrey Diaz. Happy birthday. Love you, Mama Audrey. Birthday.
O ito guys, serious to ha. Supportahan nyo ako rito. Napakahaba na sasabihin ko. Guys, ito naman ang isang special offer from ABS-CBN. Ang Refer a Kapamilya, bagong bahay, bagong buhay promo. Kung gusto nyo manalo ng bagong bahay na o kaya ng 10,000 pesos sa nila, mag-refer lang kayo ng mga kaibigan o kamag-anak na nasa ibang bansa. At may chance kayong manalo ng isang brand new house and lot sa Grand Draw o 10,000 pesos naman para sa ating money draws. Para naman, pumunta na kayo sa pinakamalapit na ABS-CBN station o tumawag sa aming hotline na 849-6933 para mag-refer. Hanggang January 31 lang ito mga kapamilya, kaya refer na!
Kukulan nyo.
Sandali, pagkatapos nyo mag-refer, rock on pa rin tayo with a special buyer episode na mapapanood nyo dito lang sa ASAP Rocks 2.
That's right! Kaya send lang ng suggestions to asapforyourequest@yahoo.com or i-mention nyo lang ang @asapofficial sa requests nyo through Twitter. You can also call us at 411-0011.
Ayan, speaking of Dream Bros, eto another back-to-back track na dito nila makikita sa ASAP Rocks. Siyempre, ang importante naman sa amin kayo sa Twitter, sa Facebook, lahat ng request nyo. Kaya naman eto, one thrilling dance number from Kim, Shane, and Vanessa with our birthday boy Jake. And hindi pa nagtatapos siya, super kantahan with Teen Idols, Julie and John, Albie and Catherine with AJ and Jesse. Ang kukulan nyo!
The ball gowns, I see you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know
that you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet, and I was crying on the staircase begging you please don't go.
and you said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all that's left to do is run. I'll be the prince and you'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
So I sing down to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause we're dead if they knew, so close your eyes. Escape this town for a little while.
'Cause I was Romeo, you were a scarlet letter, and your daddy said stay away from Romeo, but you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And you said,
Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just
I
say
got tired
yes.
of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town, and you said,
Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come.
is this in my head? I don't know what to think. I knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring.
And said, marry me, Juliet. You'll never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, go pick out the white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
I know you want me. I made it obvious that I want you to. So put it on me. Let's remove the space between me and you. Now rock your body. Oh. Damn, I like the way that you move. So give it to me. Oh. 'Cause I already know what you wanna do. That tonight I'm loving you. From the window to the wall, gotta give you my all. Winter, weather, summertime, when I get you on the springs, I'ma make you fall. You rock that body, that make me wanna get up on the floor just to see you dance. And I love the way you do that. Turn around, let me see the way. You stuck with me, I'm stuck with you. Let's find something that's crazy. Excuse me, I don't mean no be rude, but tonight I'm loving you.
Wow! Bodo naman ang number na yun. Thank you, Shaina, Kim, and Melissa. And of course, happy birthday, Jake! Girls, meron ba kayong message para kay Jake? Ano ka na siya mag-girls?
Ayun, syempre song Sam sa iJakes. Maraming dyan, galing States. Sa amin din, maraming salamat. Sa lahat na ng Super Inday, maraming salamat po. Sir Deo, Kuya Alan, Mr. Ed, Star Magic, maraming salamat po.
Oh, girls, kayo, meron ba kayong birthday message for him?
Ako, ano ba, Jake? Well, I wish you good health. Of course, you have everything. And everyone's very excited sa bago mong show, di ba? Yung Green Rose.
He knows.
Yeah, so sana supportahan yung lahat ng tao. And syempre, sana happy ka, happy yung love life mo.
Masaya ka ba?
Okay, kayo naman, Kim, Melissa. Ako naman, ang wish ko para kay Jake, sana hindi siya magbago. Sana ganun pa rin siya, and sana masaya siya for the whole year. Ayan.
Ikaw masaya.
Let me show you what Melissa, ito na, initay na lahat.
Ayan, happy birthday, you know. I'm so happy for you, you know. 2011 is going to be such a good year for you. And I wish you have good health and all the best for you. I wish you all the happiness you deserve it.
Ay, papasalamat ako sa Bench Buddy, Bench Mix, The Bar, Nescafe, Boardwalk, Gold's Gym, Pony, Invespa. Maraming salamat, Kuya Alan. I love you. Neil, my manager, I love you. Thank you. Si Joanne.
Ano daw? Ano daw?
Thank you.
Ano yun?
Pwede ba? Salamat jacket na